Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Today is my birthday. Made it through another year. And now we have here... Ooh. Check it out. These are nifty. Boom, 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 boom. Looks like a karaoke. LED wireless charging speaker. Say what? Right there. I'm not sure where this is coming from. Yeah, it's a karaoke machine for outdoor, indoor. Oh boy. I never do karaoke, even when I'm drunk. I never did it. I'm not a singer. If I was, I would be doing different things. But I like to unbox videos, so that's what I do. Here we go. Alright, this is definitely different. A lot more compact, smaller than the old days with the karaoke machines. We'll see how this works. Got the USB cable right there. Whoa. It's actually a microphone. Tiny guy. Oh, you get two of them. You can have a duet. Yeah. Alright. Well, definitely not going to be on Spotify trending. So, but hey, you never know. I know enough music people, that's for sure. Oh, baby. These are different. I'm liking this. I know a karaoke person that would like this gift. So I might pass it down to them if they want it. Here we go. We got the speaker part right here. Got a nice handle for outdoor. You can have it hanging and banging. We got all the goodies right here. Oh boy. Can't really do too much karaoke because of the music copyrights and stuff like that. So we'll just pretend. We'll set it up and test it out. All that good stuff. Here's mic 1. Check, check, check. Nice gold. Got the bling bling. Watch out, Drake. Boom. We got that one right there. And look at this one. This has more gold to it, seems. Where's it? My vision. This has more bling. Right? I think so. Well, that's good. You could tell that you got two different ones and you won't get confused. Oh, look at that bling. Oh, Madonna. You just press it. Maybe this one's dead. Gotta charge that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge it. Well, it's a good thing I don't need two of them right now. Just need one. So we're gonna take this USB right here and charge it. Bummer. Keys to the Hummer. Oh yeah, here we go. See, just plug it in. No biggie. And just plug it into your USB. Because that one turned on right away once I pressed the button. But like I said, yeah, see, it's... Oh, there we go. Cheerio. There we go. No, it's dead. Yeah, I'm gonna need to charge it for a few, but that's okay. Oh boy, here we go. Hopefully this is charged. Power right here.
Power on.
Whoa.
Bluetooth mode.
Gee, calm down. Whoa. Hello.
Female to male voice. Dull sound. Reverberation adjustment. WordPress. Remove the original sound and turn it on.
Huh? It's like another world. This is crazy. Huh. Turns blue, different RGBs. Why is this so loud? Hello? Hello? Wow. Whoa. That is so loud. Hello? Oh, you know it works. Huh.
Microphone adjustment. Eliminate original sound off. Remove the original female to male voice. Eliminate original sound off.
Let's see. Whoa. Now that's pretty trippy. I don't know, I got a demon voice on it. Okay. That's better. Microphone check. Karaoke. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Hello. 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 I see you.
Dull sound.
I see you. Hello.
Work KTV mode.
Hello. 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 Hello, YouTube. Hello. Okay.
Female to male voice.
Hello. 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 What is going on, YouTube? Hello.
Male to female voice.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello, YouTubers. Here we go with another charging speaker. This sounds good. Now the other mic is right. We'll see what this works. Oh, the other one still needs charging up.
Reverberation adjustment.
Hello. Hello.
Microphone reverberation adjustment.
Hello. Hello. Okay, both of them are working now, so we got them.
Microphone adjustment.
Hello.
Reverberation adjustment.
Hello.
Dull sound.
Doll. We are in the doll sound. This is good though, guys. Be good for parties, graduation parties, and pretty much everything.
Warcraft sound.
This is Warcraft? Ah, I see. Got the deeper voice. Hello. Now let's see how we do the music part. That is kind of curious on how that's gonna go. But you got bright RGB light too. Bluetooth. Okay, so you just connect the Bluetooth and then it'll play out the music. Or you can use your TF card mode, insert microphone switch, color gradient, play pause. Yeah, so definitely this is something new, something different. It's portable. And you've seen all the options here. Hello. Gradient sound. There you go.
KTV mode.
Hello. We are here again for the night. Alright, YouTubers. LED wireless charging speaker. RGB. You get 2 mics. Turn this one off. Right there is the second one.
Microphone adjustment.
I think I've shown everything. It was kind of really nice. So there you have it, YouTubers. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.